Your paycheck feels a lot like a financial prison. You did everything you were supposed to do. You got the degree. You landed the good job. You even got the raise. So why does it feel like you're still trapped, living paycheck to paycheck, even when you're more successful than ever? This isn't just a feeling, it's a system, a carefully constructed trap. Today, we're going to expose the invisible script that's turning your financial dreams into a cage. And more importantly, I'm going to give you the key to break free. The bars on your prison cell have a name: lifestyle inflation. It's a simple concept. As your income goes up, your spending quietly goes up right along with it. It's so sneaky you barely even notice it happening. That daily latte goes from a luxury to a non-negotiable part of your morning. Ordering food delivery shifts from a Friday night treat to a just because it's Tuesday standard. That perfectly fine car that got you through your 20s suddenly feels old and inadequate. This is the script society writes for us, isn't it? Get a raise, get a bigger apartment, get a promotion, get a nicer car. Each upgrade feels like a reward for your hard work. But really, you're just adding another bar to your prison. Your monthly expenses swell to meet your new income, and poof, that big raise is gone. You're earning more than ever, but there's nothing left at the end of the month. You're running faster on a hamster wheel made of gold, but it's still a hamster wheel. And for a lot of people, the prison has a second, more devious layer: golden handcuffs. These are juicy financial incentives like stock options, bonuses, or retirement plans designed to keep you right where you are. You have to stay for a set number of years to get the full payout, so leaving feels financially impossible. Even if the job makes you miserable, your life now requires that high salary just to function, and the job that provides it has you locked in. Sound familiar? You're not broke, you're just imprisoned. So, how do you break out? The good news is, you can, and it doesn't require some secret, complicated financial product. It just requires a plan. Here's your key. First, create a rule for all new money. The next time you get a raise, a bonus, or any kind of income boost, you need to automatically save or invest at least half of it before you even have a chance to miss it. If your monthly paycheck goes up by $400, set up an automatic transfer for $200 straight into your savings or investment account. This one move directly fights lifestyle inflation by building your wealth before you can spend it. Second, it's time to audit your lifestyle. You can't escape a prison if you don't know where the walls are. For 1 month, track every single dollar. Be brutally honest with yourself. This isn't about feeling guilty. It's about gathering intelligence. You'll see exactly where lifestyle creep has sunk its teeth in the subscriptions you forgot about, the convenience buys that bleed you dry, the habits that have turned into expensive obligations. Third, redefine what you deserve. The invisible script tells you that because you work hard, you deserve a new watch or a luxury car. That's the trap. You don't deserve more stuff. You deserve freedom. You deserve peace of mind. You deserve to wake up in the morning without that pit of financial anxiety in your stomach. You need to shift from a consumer mindset to an investor mindset. An investor's goal isn't to look rich. It's to be free. And fourth, the most critical step of all, pay yourself first and build your escape fund. There's a reason this is the most timeless advice in finance. Before you pay your rent, before you pay the car note, before you pay anyone else, you pay your future self. Automate it. Make it the first and most important bill you pay each month. This money is your get out of jail fund. It's the cash that gives you the power to walk away from the job with golden handcuffs, to handle an emergency without drowning in debt, and to finally, once and for all, break the paycheck to paycheck cycle. This financial prison isn't made of steel and concrete. It's built from our own habits and the expectations society throws at us. Your income isn't the problem, it's the tool that can either build your prison bigger or buy your freedom. The only difference is what you decide to do with it. Earning more money shouldn't just mean living a more expensive life. It should mean living a more free one. What has your experience with lifestyle creep been? Share your story in the comments below. You'll be shocked how many of us are in the same cell. And if you're ready for more strategies to finally achieve real financial freedom, make sure you subscribe.